No, he can't do it.
Alright. Yo, what's up? This is Purpose-Fadayz. Welcome to episode 41. I got a bad case of the giggles. Welcome to episode 41 of Purpose-Fadayz Designz. Just keep it running, keep it running. I don't know what's going on, but alright, so this video is making me feel weird because you want to get past pride, and I feel like I could do everything myself, but that is not the case. So for all you out there that think that you could do it on your own, that's not the case, and that's what this video is about. I'm looking for somebody to come to the Self-Expression Project and join me in doing inventory, color schemes, promoting different events like the print party, promoting packages of what we got going on, all kind of different stuff, just different ways to make things happen. So one of the main basic things is how to create a way to motivate creatives. I know this all sounds crazy and I'm just having a good time, so it's just what it is. I'm just gonna keep going with it. On top of that, there's so much that a bunch of people could do versus one person. So I just initially just need to get some people in here and build this place. The Self-Expression Project was in Somerville, and it was in Concord, and it was in a bunch of other places. I think this is like the 5th attempt to build this place up, and I'm never gonna waver. So now the idea is to find people and get people on board. So if you're just as creative as I am, or if you're hungrier than I am, that's even better. This is a long video. I'm gonna look back at this a year from now and just laugh or be embarrassed, but at the same time, the idea has gotten out. It's out to the universe, and I think that's pretty much it. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek. Yo, what's good, everybody? Up already.